As a news publisher, you know that many readers are using their smartphones and tablets to access news. To be successful in this space, you need a strong mobile strategy, which starts with building a high-quality app. We've gathered 10 tips to help you with the design and development of a good news app. 1. Develop a native app. The best apps in the Android ecosystem all have one thing in common. They're developed as native. They have great in-app navigation and support native gestures. They benefit from the potential of full material design, and compared to WebView, the UX is really responsive. 2. Run your apps instantly without installation. When you build a native app, you'll be able to extend it to run instantly without requiring user installation using Android Instant Apps. Android Instant Apps will let users access your app via a URL, even if it isn't installed on their device, bringing users into your app more quickly. You modularize your app, and Google Play will download only the parts that are needed on the fly. For users, it'll be a seamless experience, from launching the app to signing in to making a payment. 3. Create a simple yet targeted user experience. An easy-to-use app brings readers to news that interests them quickly. With a clear and straightforward navigation, users can easily discover what they want in your app, and they'll return more often to check the latest news or explore stories. Let readers customize categories and sections according to their interests. 4. Use material design principles to create a sense of familiarity. It's important to support the navigation structure with simple material design integrations that the user will recognize from other Android apps. Organize content into a hierarchy that matches your reader's expectations, and place content in the navigation drawer. Use tabs so readers can explore one section and still see what's available elsewhere. Or use in-page lists to show related articles or comments. Utilize a floating action button to support key features that matter in your app, like a sharing action. 5. Make it easy for readers to share your content. Shared personal recommendations can be a successful way of bringing in new audiences to your app. Benefit from word-of-mouth distribution by adding an easy share action to content, so readers can share with friends, family, and colleagues, and set up deep linking so the share directs the recipient to the content within your app. The desire to find content to share drives readers to explore more detailed content, increasing reader engagement. 6. Make some content available offline. Newspapers are often read on trains, subways, and airplanes, places with little to no data connection. Implementing a cache for offline reading helps make content available in these places. You can also provide a read later option to cache selected pages. If you want to reach your readers whenever they want to consume your content, then offering this service is crucial. 7. Re-engage your readers with rich notifications. Think of Android notifications as extensions of your app's interface. They're a way for readers to navigate back to your app, even when they're not using it. Offer readers notifications for breaking news, as well as personalized notifications for news that interests them. Take advantage of rich notifications to bring stories to life with images. Give readers control over the amount of notifications they receive. Make it possible to turn them off, and use the Topics feature of Firebase Cloud Messaging to send notifications in bulk. 8. Optimize your app for tablets. Tablets now play a huge part in news consumption. Users read longer articles and view more videos and image galleries on tablet. By optimizing for tablet users, you're likely to get more engaged readers who consume more content. Consider content that makes use of a tablet's bigger screen size, and ensure all fonts are adjusted and the text is legible. Use compound views and multi-pane layout UIs to organize content so it's easier for readers to view. 9. Request readers' permissions at runtime. Avoid asking the user for permissions by designing your app so it simply doesn't need them. If you can't avoid using them, at least make sure no unnecessary permissions are requested. Beginning in Android 6.0, users grant permissions to apps while the app is running, not when they install it. Help your readers understand why your app needs a permission by providing an explanation when needed. For example, if you want to provide local news to readers in a specific area, ask their location permission in that context, so they'll understand the benefit. Keep in mind that you don't want to overwhelm your users with too many explanations that might push them to remove your app. 10. Onboard your readers effectively. Implement an onboarding flow for new readers and for all readers when you introduce a new feature. By providing a tutorial when your app starts, readers can gain an appreciation of its features faster. Keep the tutorial short. Once it's over, give readers the option to customize the app's settings, like notifications or home screen options. Let the readers skip the onboarding flow, but give the option to watch the tutorial on demand at any time. Head over to Google Play Developer Console to start taking advantage of these features. If you want more tips on how to improve your news apps and build a better mobile business, check out the other videos in this series and download the News Publisher's Playbook.